Hello, welcome to lesson 95. This is about reciprocals. Now, a reciprocal is a very simple concept. It simply means that the numerator and the denominator are switched. So, for example, reciprocal of 2/3 is 3 over 2. I switched, which in math term we call an invert. So it's invert, and we invert the fraction, meaning we flip it. So the reciprocal of 2/3 is 3 over 2. I just simply move the denominator to my numerator. Numerator goes to the denominator. So it's exactly what it is, and that's all it is. So the reciprocal of 2, if we were to look at how we write 2 as a fraction, because we have to know that when we write 2 as a fraction, we write it as 2 over 1. So the reciprocal is 1 over 2. So that would be a very important concept to remember writing whole numbers. Whenever you write a whole number as a fraction, you always put it over 1. So when I invert it and find the reciprocal of a whole number, 1 is going to be my numerator, and whatever my whole number is will be my denominator. And then a key important thing to remember for this lesson is that the product, meaning answer to a multiplication problem, the product of any number and its reciprocal is 1. So that means if I multiply 2 times its reciprocal, 2 times half is going to be 1. 2/3 times 3 over 2 is going to be equal to 1. The reason for that being, I'm multiplying the same numerator and same denominator. So I have 2 times 3 and 3 times 2. Both will be equal to 6. 6 over 6 is 1. If I do 2 times 1, 2 times 1 and 1 times 2, same thing. 2 over 2 equals 1. So any number times its reciprocal is that number. So for example 1, we're going to look at what is the reciprocal of 5, 6. I want you to go ahead and write that down. Should take you but a quick second. And your answer will be 6 over 5. When I invert the fraction, I switch my numerator and denominator. That's it. Example 2 says, what is the product of 1/3 and its reciprocal? So look at this important note that I wrote. The product of any number, I'm sorry, I spelled number wrong. Any number, there we go. Any number times its reciprocal is equal to 1. So what is the product of 1/3 and its reciprocal? So 1/3 times 3 over 1. That's its reciprocal. Well, it simply equals 1. So for your practice set, you're just going to do letters A, B, and C, and it's finding the reciprocal of each of these. So it should take you a very short time, and I will check your problems for a participation grade. Thank you very much for paying attention.